Yesterday evening, as a reward for my students, I get them to do unpacked jumps if they want. So we go out and we do a tard, and if the weather's good, we can do a rollover. So we're a bit late for the rollover, but we did a tard, and it was perfect conditions for a rollover. And this random jumper came out, rushing out to do a tard, realised some of us were doing rollovers, and quickly changed to do a rollover, and he had clearly no idea what he was doing. I look after my students, they're fine, they all do great, and then this guy just throws his gear over like he's going to do a rollover, and I'm like, oh God, he has no idea what he's doing. But I'm still getting my students sorted out. He climbs over the railing. I'm like, righto, he's going. Climbs over, he's about to jump, and then I notice he's got no leg straps on whatsoever. And I caught him within about 1.5 seconds of him jumping straight to his death. There's no way around it. If he had jumped off that object, he was going to die. The whole reason for doing this sport is to minimise the risk and do it as safe as possible. Do you know what the first words he said to me? When I said, stop, stop, stop. He's like, oh, is my GoPro not on? Really? Come on. What, Joe? Stop, 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 stop. Fuck me. Get the fuck back over the bridge. You've got no fucking leg straps on, you fucking idiot. Jesus Christ. Fucking go home. Get off this fucking bridge today. Jesus Christ. That's one of the most retarded fucking things I've ever seen. Don't jump tonight. You're not. Oh my God. Jesus fucking Christ. Fucking hell. You owe me a beer. I don't care. Sure enough, he just puts his gear back on, throws his gear over the fence again with no idea what he's doing, and still jumps. Thank God I was there, because no one else picked it up. Fair enough, you don't look for people having no leg straps on. I mean, it's one of the most retarded things I've ever seen. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Chest strap, leg straps. Should have seen he was about to jump off with no leg straps on. Nothing. So he's buying the beer. Fuck me. Nothing. He's about to go. As he's about to go, I fucking ran over and grabbed him. Dang. Holy fuck. I just heard. Holy fuck. Inshallah. Fucking inshallah, my fucking ass. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Hey guys, nice one, all you crazy motherfuckers. Hey. Awesome.